right, let's talk how the cheapest mod that I did to my KTM 500 became the most expensive mod that I did to the bike. So initially, not happy with the low end power delivery of the bike. Seemed very muted, seemed very lazy. Very happy with how quiet the bike was. I love being able to hear the chain, being able to hear the tires go through certain terrain, sneaking up on wildlife. Really cool. Power delivery, awful, right? Bike is super plugged up. That initial from closed throttle to open throttle has a delay, or it's lazy, however you want to put it. Not happy with that one bit, especially for a brand new, very expensive motorcycle. What I did is I drilled out the stock end cap, just took a unibit to it, took me probably 2 minutes, drilled it out, did nothing to the internals of the pipe. What that did is it woke the bike up. It woke the bike up completely. Lost that laziness, lost that delay. I would say probably gained 7-8 miles an hour on 6 gear, wide open dirt roads. Big difference. Through that, I start researching, start wondering, what that did to the mapping of the bike, if I'm leaning the bike out, kind of going down the rabbit hole of how I can make the bike better. After purchasing some products from Takamoto, the turn signal kit, very happy with their stuff, and decided to go through them for all the parts. Get ECU, full FMF system, and the big gulp air intake. What that did is it absolutely lit the bike up. It is a fire breather. It is so much more fun to ride. It is to the point where I would say you could be lazy with the bike. You can lug it in that, second or third gear, low RPM, and still whack the throttle and carry the front wheel. A lot more forgiving on those single tracks where you are being a little bit lazy. Overall top speed, probably gained 15 miles an hour. And the bike is so fun to ride, so happy with it. Highly recommend uncorking these bikes and getting the power that they should have from the factory.